Hi guys, Pieces 2022 is main important things about the horoscope. See, first of all, 2022, welcome back. In the future is going to look for you as if it's filled with many extreme situations. You will have things going great one moment, only to feel like your life is falling apart the next. Other times, you will think there is no way out of a bad situation, but you will be saved by miracle. What's good to know is that some wishes you have been having for a while now you are going to be become a reality. Even if you want to able to enjoy them as much as you are supposed to, don't allow the insecurity, the characterizations you assign to be overwhelming. Keep being positive, and good things are going to happen to you. So be positive. At the same time, remember that success can't come without failure. 2022 will bring some pessimistic thoughts and tough situations to pieces. You need to try your best to be optimistic. Be sure that you are still fighting for achieving your goals. Since your expenses are going to increase, expect your financial situation to be tricky. Tensions in the family will arise as you won't be able to give your wants too much of your attention. Both your beginning and end will have you are achieving good results from ventures. As a result of Jupiter's influence, you will be full of life, no matter how many challenges you have to face. Just make sure you are following your instincts, and success will come your way. 2022 is a good year for you to accomplish your goals, to no longer feel uncertain about the things that you had been being doubtful in the past few years. The plans are good positions, favoring accomplishments. If you want to improve your financial situation, then don't hesitate to bargain with the when necessary. As far as health goes, everything for you and your family is going to be very good to you, and social important, I mean instructions like mm, predictions, two pieces, from the January 1st and until May 11th. Jupiter is going to give many opportunities to put your talents or projects to use. As a matter of fact, even if January is going to start in a chaotic manner, there will be still be Mars in the sign of Capricorn that's going to bring stability. The same Mars in the sign piece is going to help you be more intuitive. You will feel rather than think, which will save you some precious time. During entire the summer, you are the most practical person solving problems by applying a lot of common sense to them. Besides, your ideas are brightest from November and until December. Jupiter returns to make everything beautiful for you. You have your lucky star always be your side. So pay attention to what it says. So health is the wealth in 2022. What will be? See, for pieces health, as far as health goes, we will have a moderately auspicious 2022. Jupiter transiting your 12th house has things happening this way. In case you have been suffering from a disease from quite a while, expect to go through increased pain starting April 13. You should be better, but only if your thoughts are positive and you allow Jupiter ascendant to take care of things. Practice yoga and in meditation while following a Western diet. If you do, you will feel mentally stable and fitter than ever. Fitter than ever. So this is about for 2022. All the best, guys, and I'm going to meet you in every day with weekly with monthly with horoscopes. Bye, and don't forget. Nowadays, what will be happen? I don't know. 2022 pieces. This is one. Maybe you are watching the time meme. I don't know what will be happen in the future. The people who will living, who are not living. Maybe with this your world. I'm happy. Nowadays, we don't know what happening. Uh, but we are hoping 100% we are going to meet you. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe me, and press the like button. Thank you.